Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Edition 5.7 HEMI. This is what it sounds like before. You can't even hear it. Look at that. So quiet. Even with revving, like how close I got it up there, and it's still quiet. Here's decibels. Go ahead. It's right at 77. So quiet. All right. So we're gonna take the resonators off. As you guys can see, you can turn it off. Take the two resonators off. I'm gonna put a next pipe right here, and we're gonna take the mid off. All right, stay tuned, and maybe new tips. We'll see. All right, guys, 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit, 5.7 liter HEMI in it. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. We don't have one of these on the channel, so I said I'm gonna do a video on it for you guys. Converter, then mid-muffler delete. You always want to add an X pipe when you can, if the customer can afford it. It helps with exhaust scavenge. It gives it a little bit more power. Right there, 2.25 continues. And then we did a rear resonator delete also on this side, and a rear resonator delete on this side. And then these Jeeps come with these wide tips that you guys can see right there. So we took them off and put quads in its place. It looks a lot cleaner and a lot nicer, as you guys can see. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the muffler, the mid muffler that was on it, and the two resonators I showed you guys earlier. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Guys, we got a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Look at this thing. And it's got the 5.7 HEMI, baby. HEMI. There's the cats right there and there. Then we took the mid muffler off and replaced it with two Flowmaster Outlaws for your viewing pleasure. 15430S as in Sam. One there and one there. Then 2.5 inch continues out the back. And as you guys can see from these massive tips, we took off the rear resonators and replaced them with 6-inch tips. When they tell you they can't fit them, yes, it does. There's proof right there, by 18s too. And what they do, they'll deepen the tone and give it that throatiness. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. It's got massive 6-inch tips on the back. Check that out. That looks so clean. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. That's it. Nice idle on it. There's the idle on it. Right at 81. Go ahead and give it gas. That's clean. You see it lifting up? It's flowing a lot better. I like it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 109. Go ahead and back it out. Jeep Summit, man, fully loaded. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. It's our beautiful shop, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Flowmaster Outlaws in the middle. Rear delete and 6-inch tips. Stock cats. Woo! Idle. Right at 80. Go ahead. Wow. I'm telling you guys, those 6-inch tips make a huge difference on heavy engines. And of course the Outlaws. So if you want to get rid of that rasp a little bit more, you can do an X pipe right after the Outlaws. But he likes the rasp, so we left it alone. Again. You feel that in your chest, guys. Right at 115, It's like a lion roaring, man. I love it. That sounds so good. Wow. What a beast. Beast mode in the lift, too. On the lift. All right, go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop. There's our phone number. Right down the street on Skyline Hospital is up there on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us. You know it means business when you hear it like that. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Let's see what this thing can do. Nice wide open road. Here we go. Let's see this pull. Oh man, that's perfect. You can still hear it. Wow. Look, you can still hear it. So what do you guys think? Yes? All right, all right. All right, here we go. See, that's a cool brother right there, because his brother sent him. He's like, he didn't have time, so he's like, I got time, I'll get it taken care of for you. Takes about an hour to do, hour and a half. So he stayed here hanging out, chilling. So that's a cool brother. Always take care of your brothers, guys. Family comes first before anything. Remember that. No matter how angry you get with your family, always love them for being your family. Here we go. Always love them for all their quirks. A quote of the day. Heavy, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a good sounding Hemi right there. Enjoy, guys. Heavy, heavy, man.